What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 2, and today's topic will be how to convert BGR images into grayscale images using OpenCV. Okay, so in the last tutorial, we have seen how to read an image file and how to write back into another image into another file using OpenCV. And that time we understood that by default OpenCV does everything into BGR image format like blue, green, red. Okay, and in this tutorial we will learn how to convert an uh, PNG file into a grayscale image, right? And after that how to write it back into a another image file, into new image file as a as a grayscale image. Okay, so that is the ultimate thing for this tutorial. Okay, so one more thing I want to reiterate over here, that this is the beginning of this playlist, right? You can see only this is the second tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll try to like cover as much as the fundamental concept. Like at the beginning I'll try to touch base upon all the fundamental basic building blocks of OpenCV5, and after that in the maybe after completing 15 or 20 tutorials we'll try to start building some real world use cases, and that time we'll going to integrate all these bits and pieces into a bigger component, right? So to understand those bigger component and concepts in a better way or efficient way, I just want to do this hands-on with this basic like components or fundamental components. So that is why you will see at the beginning the tutorials are very 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 basic and very small and precise tutorial, but slowly we will gradually move towards the intermediate complexity, and later on we'll be going to move towards the advanced complexity. Okay, in this tutorial we'll learn how to convert like BGR into grayscale. Okay, so first use case will be read PNG file as a grayscale. We'll be definitely going to use the same IM read function. We'll be going to write back the same image file as a grayscale image. Okay, and here also we'll be going to use the CV2 image read function, and also we'll be going to use some flag. So let's see how we are going to do it. Okay, so I have one PNG file here. We'll try to read this thing as a grayscale image. So let's see. Okay, so it should be import CV2. Okay, then let's say input equals to CV2 dot im read. Okay, and here I'll be going to copy the path. Okay, and we'll just mention CV2 dot im read grayscale. Okay, that's it. Okay, and once it's done, it will be just trying to print this input. Okay, there is one interesting thing I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, now what will happen now? This is this is the input image. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to write back the same image as a grayscale. Okay, here we completed this thing. So now output equals to CV2 dot im right. Okay, and here we'll be going to like, okay, so if you see, if I write im right over here, and after that we can put some file name here. Okay, what file name I can write? I can easily write output dot png. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so first it will read, and here it will be created an output file. So this is my original file, remember, but I want to write it back, I want to write back it as an grayscale image. Okay, so I forgot to give this input thing, sorry. Okay, so this is the file name and this is the image. Okay, this is done. See, This is the grayscale image. So just now we converted an uh, BGR original image into grayscale image. Okay. So this is the ultimate objective of this tutorial. Okay. So now one of you actually requested me that how to actually read multiple files. Okay. So for reading multiple files, things are very easy. So let's say um, you have multiple PNG files. Okay, you have to just iterate over using a for loop. Okay, next important thing is could be we'll be going to start working on some sort of like other file format. Okay, but for the time being, just try to understand if you have a grayscale image, you can easily convert that image into BGR image. Okay, so now next thing I just want to see, I have this grayscale image. Now how to actually convert that into a BGR image, that also will be going to understand. So let's see whether I'm able to do it or not. Okay, so just comment this line and let's say input equals to cv2 dot imread. Okay, I am read here. What I'll do, I'll be just going to uh, copy this file, copy path. Okay, I'm just going to put it here. Okay, and I can just write cv2.im2. So there is something I am read underscore. Uh, this should be something like I just want to understand how to convert that from grayscale to PGR, right? I'm just thinking why something is not there. Okay, color. Okay, I am read has only this many this thing. Okay. Hmm. Hold on. Let me think about it because I think there is something. Mm, what was that? Just give me a moment, guys. Let me see my documentation. Okay, so just give me some time. Uh, okay, think. Hmm, 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 I think I think this is the thing. This will make this thing. Let me. Okay, I'm reading this thing. Now what I'll do, I'll be going to create an output. Okay, here what I'll do, CV2 by default actually. Yeah, so I am right. Okay, and here what we'll do, I'll be just going to create a new file, output1.png, and there I'll be just going to mention this as an input. So let's see how it is going to work. Okay, Okay. So now, good thing is, important thing is, see, now you have to understand one thing. That is what I want to tell you. See, this image already lost its original color. Original color is actually this one, right? I converted that as a grayscale. So when it is actually converted into grayscale, it actually it has been lost its original color, right? So it is not like that. If you convert a grayscale image in the back end of the image, it will keep a track of something. No, image has no memory. I mean, yeah, definitely image has some memory, but that memory is not that memory type of memory, like where it can remember what was the previous state or previous color, right? Because I got so many requests that they convert that BGR image to grayscale. It is giving us black and white shade. Now, if I want to get it back the original image, how to do that? So that is not possible. Okay. So what else I can do? So what I can do, I can like this, and here I can also write this won't give us the original. Okay, and this will convert it into grayscale. Now you can tell me why then this is for what? This is to actually, this is by default. If you don't give it, then also it is going to give you this color format. Okay, right. Okay, so next thing, what? Next thing actually I want to show you. This is my pic. Okay, so let's copy this pic. Okay, and I want to just show you like what will happen if you give this thing. Okay, so let's copy this thing here. Okay, and let's minimize, so let's ignore this part. Okay, let's copy this pic. Okay, and see what is going to happen. Okay, so if you do this thing, what will happen? This is actually going to convert that image into, this is already a BGR image, but this is still going to read it as a BGR image. This time I'll be going to get it the original as original. See? Okay, so this is the, if you give this thing, then also it is going to give you the BGR format. If you don't give this thing, this is also going to give you the BGR format. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. Okay, okay, so that's it. That is what I want to um, and make you understand, guys. So the one more thing, you can easily convert that image into JPEG as well. JPEG. See, this is going to give you the conversion as well. See? Okay. So I haven't talked about TIFF file format. So in the next tutorial, hopefully we can talk about TIFF file format. Okay. I'm just uncommenting this code. So whenever you guys are going to do it from your practice after watching this video, please try to watch the video and understand the code parallelly, or else you might think why I'm using this same variable as well. Okay, but this is not the same variable. While also when I was executing, I was actually commenting the previous line. Okay, so these things are little bit confusing at the beginning, but trust me guys, if you understand this conversion techniques like very well, then probably it won't be a problem for you in the later on whenever we are going to develop some computer vision application. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it for today. I'll be going to conclude the video over here. Before I conclude, if you are watching this video for the first time, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully we'll learn and understand so many um, valuable things in your near future from our channel, and I am hopeful that I'll be able to uh, I'm able to add some value towards your like learning journey, right? So please try to help me as well. Try to hit the subscribe button. Try to like the video. Put some comment, good or bad, doesn't matter. Try to put some honest feedback so that YouTube will find this video and other people will find this video helpful, and also this will help me to like crack the YouTube algorithm as well. So please help me get some push from the YouTube algorithm so that I can reach the large number of audience. So this is the honest and humble request from my side. Please help me, guys. I need your help and support to grow. Okay. So enough of talking and requests. Let's conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day and happy learning.